Hey guys, Chloe Williams here, back with another episode of Roundtable Talks. So today we've got another employee spotlight. I've got my body shop manager, Joy, joining us today. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
You excited to be here?
I am.
Awesome. Well, we are happy to have you. So I'm just going to start off with an easy question. So how long have you worked for the Mark Williams Auto Group?
How old is the building?
Pretty old?
Yeah.
A long time?
Yes, a long time.
So like, what, 26?
Yep.
26 years?
20, yep.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So you've known me my entire life,
Yeah.
which is pretty nice. Hopefully this will make this a little more comfortable
It does.
for you. Yeah, awesome. So have you always worked in collision, or have you done other jobs?
I've been everywhere other than parts and service.
That's pretty awesome. Do you have a favorite
Body shop.
body shop?
Yeah.
What do you like about just
Everything.
fixing
Yeah.
it and getting it back to
That's
being
right.
beautiful again?
That's right.
Awesome. So tell us something unique that customers can look forward to or expect when working with the Beechmont Ford Collision Center.
Yeah, absolutely. Customer service is number one, and we provide a lifetime warranty with our repair. So
Yeah, so that's huge. So that kind of goes hand in hand. It's a little different than the lifetime warranty that you get when you purchase a vehicle. So that's going to be on the powertrain, and then your lifetime warranty is on
our bodywork.
on the bodywork.
On
Awesome.
repair. Yes.
Which is good to know. And so then tell us something that's new and exciting about the body
New
shop.
and exciting is we are Tesla certified.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
So any electronic Tesla drivers, you can bring your vehicle here.
That's right.
Get it fixed up. And that's is that the body work? Is it engine or?
It is the bodywork.
Just the body
and
work.
the structural. Yep.
And the structure.
Yep.
Okay, awesome. All right, well, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
joining us on the show. If you guys need any information or you want to get a hold of Joy, we'll put her information at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next week.